Would you like to know how to win $200,000 worth of NXTT while cleaning the ocean? NXTT is going to launch its first social responsibility game. In a collaboration with Sea Turtles, the game is going to launch on the 19th of May, and we are inviting everyone to join us to clean the oceans and save the sea turtles together, while having the opportunity to win NXTT or NFTs. The game will take place in 7 locations in the metaverse. On the same territories in the real world, Sea Turtles is going to implement plastic waste collecting projects. So if you are removing trash from your purchased tiles in the metaverse, the same thing is going to happen in the real world. While you are contributing to a good cause, you have the chance to win $200,000 worth of NXTT or win a unique NFT by Tiny Wasteland. Join us in this mission to clean the oceans and save the sea turtles together.